In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll have a clean, secure connection set up so you can use ElevenLabs features directly inside your n8n workflows. Start by opening n8n in your browser. If you're using n8n Cloud, you'll typically land on the workflow editor automatically. If you're self-hosting, make sure your instance is running and accessible. You should see a blank canvas where new workflows are created. This is where we'll add and configure the integration. On the canvas, click Add First Step. This opens the node chooser, which is where you can connect to different apps and services. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs. When the ElevenLabs node appears, select it to add it to your workflow. Adding the node places it on the canvas and opens its settings panel on the right. In the node settings, choose the action that matches your goal. For example, you might generate speech from text, fetch available voices, or manage resources. If you're just exploring, picking a simple action helps you confirm the connection before you build something more advanced. Next, we'll connect your ElevenLabs account. In the credentials drop-down inside the node, click to open the list of available credentials. If you haven't connected ElevenLabs before, select Create New Credential. Give the credential a clear name so you'll recognize it later, especially if you manage multiple projects or environments. Now paste your ElevenLabs API key from your ElevenLabs account dashboard into the API key field. Keep this key private, don't share it, or commit it to version control. n8n stores credentials securely, and using the built-in credential vault is the safest way to manage them. If you're on a specialized ElevenLabs plan with a custom endpoint, check whether you need to adjust any optional fields here. Otherwise, the defaults usually work. Click Save to store the credential. Once saved, the credential will be selected for this node, indicating the node can authenticate with ElevenLabs. From here, you can fine-tune the node's parameters for your chosen action, such as the text to synthesize, the voice to use, or any other options provided by the action you selected. That's it. You opened n8n, added the ElevenLabs node, chose the action, created a secure credential with your API key, and saved it. You're now connected and ready to use ElevenLabs inside your workflows. If you run into authentication errors, double-check that the API key is current and typed correctly. With the connection in place, you can confidently build automations that bring high-quality speech and voice capabilities directly into n8n.